Hi everybody, Eddie the Mouth out in Buffalo, New York. And I don't know what made that noise, but it definitely alerted her. I don't know. What is that? What's that? What is that? Is it your babies or something? What is that? What's that? What is that? I don't know. There's another deer back there. I could see it. Is it a buck? It is a buck. Or maybe it's just a doe. I know you can't really see it, but let me see if I can get down and see. See that deer way back there? That's who's making that noise. Come on! Aw, what's up, my girl? Are we buddies? Are we buddies? Aw, she's licking my hand. She's a good girl. Right, we're friends? Never heard her make that noise before. What is that? Deer's making its way over here. What does that mean? What's going on with that deer, huh? What's up? Who was making that noise? Was that you? Was that you? There's a bunch of deer coming. I see at least two back there walking over. Let me see. It's not a buck. It's just a doe. There's two of them back there. I don't know what that noise is. I never heard him make that noise before. Did you ever hear it? What's up? Oh, my girl. How you doing? What's up? What's up, you? I'm part of the herd. I joined the herd. I'm the new guy. Is that Lucy? That's Lucy. That's who it is. What's up, Lucy Lou? I can tell she's got that scar on her shoulder. Well, maybe it was some kind of a warning call. Barbie definitely was alerted by it. Were you alerted by that? Hi. Were you alerted by that? Are those your buddies looking out for you? Are those your buddies? Hi. What's up, you? No, she recognizes me. What's up? Let's see if I can. I don't know. She's just being weird. Are you being weird, my girl? Can I pet you? Can I pet you? No? She's still not gonna let me pet her. Sometimes she lets me. Sometimes she lets me. It's 3 deer. 3 deer just hanging out. 3 deer and me, right? We're all buds. We're all part of the same herd. Looks like she is headed in that direction. She might just sprint at those other deer. She does that. What's up? Oh, is that one of the babies? Oh, I see one of the babies back there. I see one of the babies back there. See her? See it? Come on. Come on. Come on, little one. That's so cute. Come on. coming over? Where's the other one? Where's the twin? Come on. There's your baby. There's her baby. Is that your baby? What are you chewing on there? Some cud? There's the fawn. I'll zoom in on the fawn. So I seen the baby deer and a baby turkey today. What's up, my girl? This is the buffalo herd. If you guys like the content, like and subscribe.